Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to do to get this bumper off is take the grill off. You do that by pulling these clips and screws, and then from there we'll start undoing the fasteners that are back behind the bumper and underneath. And I think there's some more back under here. So forth onto the other side. Okay, so as you can see, I have the bumper off. I took off retainer clips in multiple locations, including underneath the bumper. And then there was kind of a hidden bolt that came up this way, and another little retainer clip that went in here from the inside. Same with that on the other side. I had to reach in and unhook the fog light bulbs, and then just a connector. You just undo the clips and pull it off, and that's really easy to reach in there and do it with the bumper on before you pull it off, and that way everything stays intact.